I'm Dr. Emma Andre.
And I'm Dr. Derek Andre, and together we are the husband and wife team that created Medicine Within. I'm guessing if you're watching this video that you are feeling stuck in your life, that you're struggling to do the things you want to do, maybe to be the person you want to be in life, or give the attention to the things that you care about. And we can relate with that. We went through a period of 4 incredibly trying and challenging years, earth-shattering upheavals, traumas, losses, and there were some pretty dark and heavy days in there. And I was feeling pretty stuck too. And the thing that helped us through that time the most was psychedelic medicine and committed, trusted support. The reason that we created Medicine Within is because this work, this medicine helped us so much that we wanted to offer it to others and be able to give them the same freedom that we were able to regain after the hardest years of our lives. We believe that life is precious. It's meant to be enjoyed. That sadness and grief and heavy feelings, hard emotions are a part of life, but we aren't meant to stay there. And so we do this work because we would like to help people live the full wheel of emotions in life and to be able to do all the things that they really care about. And being able to do that firsthand, being able to experience that firsthand, I feel like gave us a really good education, front seat education in how to help others do that.
Yeah, there's a spectrum of approaches out there with ketamine. There are clinics that just deliver ketamine as another prescription drug, as an antidepressant, an anti-anxiety medicine, and don't really offer any other support outside of it. And then there's some that offer really complete support, good preparation, good facilitation during the ketamine experience, and then good integration. And we find ourselves on that end of the spectrum. We believe that in order to really get the most effective results out of ketamine, we need to provide full support, both before, during, and after the experience. Because to us, ketamine is so much more than a prescriptive drug. It really does give people a psychedelic experience, which requires a lot of respect. And we have both the experience of facilitating that for people, even people who've never tried a psychedelic, and we've been in that space and navigated it, and we know how to help people get the most out of it and have the most supported, calm, and safe experience possible.
In order to work with people in the way that Emma just described, it demands that we spend more time with people. We need to get to know them, ask questions, understand their story, their struggles, their wants, and their needs. And it's not a quick fix. It's not just coming in, taking the medicine, and then leaving. It's really developing a relationship. And we found when we were healing from our own personal struggles that those kinds of healing relationships usually resulted in the best and the longest lasting results. And so that's how we choose to operate. So we have a range of offerings that go from $700 on the lower end to around $1,300 on the higher end. And we know that that's probably one of the questions you're hoping to get answered in this video, and we're happy to talk with you more about that on our intro call.
And that includes not just getting the treatment, but that also includes getting you established in the clinic, having a thorough preparation process, having full facilitation during the ketamine experience, and always 2 integration sessions after. So that is the comprehensive support package. And while we don't directly bill insurance, which is another big question we get, we do offer super bills, which are an invoice for the time we spend together that you can submit yourself to your insurance company to see if you can have out-of-network coverage. The people who work with us end up loving this comprehensive, supportive approach, and the results speak for themselves. They get more out of every single treatment, and the results last longer.
And it makes impactful changes in their life. Gets them back to being who they want to be and doing what they care about doing in their life.
And enjoying life, because life is precious. If you would like to explore working together and this feels like the approach that you're looking for, the next step is to schedule an intro call with us by clicking the button below. In that call, we will make sure that this treatment is a good fit for you, we will answer any questions, and get you scheduled for your healing journey with us.